Well, hello everyone, and I'm getting ready to make me a pound cake. I have my ingredients here. I have my Swan's Down cake flour. This is always a great milk to use. It makes everything nice and sweet. I have my butter here, cream cheese, vanilla extract. I may use this, I don't know. A little bit of baking powder, a little bit of salt. I may use a little bit of nutmeg and cinnamon. Applesauce, that really makes your cake nice and moist. I'm going to end up using, and I haven't made up my mind yet, 6 to 7 eggs. I think my dad uses as much as 10 or 12. And then here, of course, I have my sugar and uh, my apparatus here to blend all these wonderful ingredients. So I'm going to start getting this together, and I'll be back. I hope all of you are wearing your mask and washing your hands and staying safe. Stay home if you can. And of course, you see my sanitizer back there, but I always wash my hands with hot water and soap. How about you? Now I have mixed up my batter. I usually put flour, eggs, milk, and then my butter. I put it in and mix it up, put some more ingredients in, mix it up. So now I'm trying to fine tune it. I've already put about 5 or 6 eggs in here already. I've used quite a few eggs. Then some I had to throw them away because they were already cracked. I don't know what happened here. I have a lot in my refrigerator. I'm trying to stockpile and prepare for this pandemic. Most definitely will be glad when this year is over and really be ecstatic when January the 22nd, 21st come around. I am still mixing my batter. I did take a knife and kind of mix the flour in there a little bit more. It's much more even now. I don't see any extra flour out. I did add a tang bit of more Eagle brand milk. I also sprayed my pan with Pam. Some people like to put flour in their pan. I'm not going to do all that. I'm just going to put some Pam. You could also melt butter and spread butter in the pan. I've also turned on my oven. I'm going to have it at 350 probably for 45 minutes or until I can stick a toothpick in it and it comes out clean. The color's kind of different because I did put a little bit of almond and a little bit of cinnamon and nutmeg in it, so it may be a little bit darker than what you may be used to. Some people also may put lemon juice in it or lemon extract to give it that flavor for a lemon pound cake. It's up to you. I'm thinking about adding more eggs, but I'm not sure at this point. I may have enough eggs in, but it's usually up to you. The more eggs, the richer the cake. I have so much going on, I've lost count how many eggs, but I think that I've put about 7 or 8 eggs in my pound cake. And then I'm trying to decide if I'm going to mix up some confectioner's sugar and drip it over the pound cake, but I haven't really decided. Or some people like to put pineapples on top of their pound cake and put a little pineapple juice, but I don't think I have any pineapple juice here. I only saw pears and pear juice. Well, I hope y'all have a wonderful evening, and I'll see you in a little bit. I'm going to put my cake in the oven. May have to show you that as well. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I've already cleaned my kitchen. All my dishes are washed. My sink is clean. My counter's clean. I put everything away. What I basically did when I was pouring the batter out of the mixing bowl, I turned this round and round and round so it will come out evenly, or I tried to pour it in evenly as possible. You know, some of y'all been cooking since Jesus was a baby, and your kitchen's still raggedy after you've cooked. Nobody can get in your kitchen. You can't get to your sink. The counters are covered up. The floor is jacked up. What are you doing? I want to know, what are you doing, and why do you keep repeating the same behavior? There's no such thing as a messy cook. Going into 2021, we need to evolve from that. I don't know. I know a lot of people who they're excellent cooks, but their kitchen is tore up from the floor up. Why? It stresses me out. I don't like to go in there. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's about midnight. I got my cake in the oven. Some people put um, water under their pans. I guess it's just keep it from burning. See, my stove top nice and clean, counter nice and neat. I just don't understand these messy cooks. Do better. Just do better.